Good afternoon, I'm Ken Sider from Drive Life New Zealand.
And I'm Ayesh from Ayesh Online, Instagram.
Today we're going to do a scientific experiment. Not a race, scientific experiment between a car and public transportation.
Yes, Japan's efficient public transportation system, which is always on time and never late. Today we're gonna see if that can be beaten by a car driven by
an idiot. But it's not just any car, it's a Nissan GT-R with a 3.8-litre twin-turbo V6 pumping at 560 horsepower, a 4-wheel drive and a dual-clutch gearbox. It'll easily beat a train. Tokyo, a city of 13-something million people, but most of them use public transport. You do see some cars around, so what we're trying to find out today is which is fastest, from one side of Tokyo to the other, a car or public transport. Ayesh here will be using the renowned, efficient and economical public transport system of Tokyo's Metro Underground. So the plan is we'll start here, in the middle of Tokyo's posh, tree gardeny bit, all the way to the industrial side. So the route I will be taking in the car will be avoiding tolls and highways. I'll only be sticking to normal roads, which means standing here at Royal Garden, I'll be driving through Ginza, a very annoying place to drive, all the way out to here, to a park near Toyusu Station, where there'll be some stairs. Ayesh?
I will take the train. I will first take the Hanzom line, and then I'll transfer to the Eurocto line. And the phone says it will take me 29 minutes, and Japanese trains are usually on time, so
It'll take him 29 minutes, whereas for me,
not sure.
it says 29 minutes, but I'll be using the car's Japanese navigation system.
Yes.
And I don't understand Japanese.
Yep, he can't read Japanese.
So this should be fun. Here we go, let's try and figure this out.
This is fun. Alright.
What does this mean? Oh, I'm just pressing buttons. Why does it say Yokohama? No, I don't want Yokohama. What is...
I think that's where you came from, maybe? You want to return to... No.
Oh, map. No, the destination, okay. I don't think so, right? It doesn't look like it.
No.
Out of sheer luck and just pushing random buttons, we've managed to do this.
And look at that, it only took us 10 minutes.
Did it really?
Well, 9 minutes.
Half of the race. We just... Okay, right. Back to map. Okay, right. Let's do this.
Alright.
Right, now that we've got all that out of the way, let's get the race started.
Yeah.
Now, I'm actually at a disadvantage because it's 4 o'clock right now, which means there'll be rush hour traffic.
Yeah.
So this should be fun.
Yeah, and I can't exaggerate enough that this is not a race, this is strictly educational.
This is a scientific, educational purposes only. This is not a race. We're both competitive people, but this is not a race. This is for your viewing pleasure and for educational purposes.
Educational only. And since we've got that out of the way, 3, 2, 1. I jumped the start a little bit. Ken's still in the car.
Right, race has started. Ayesh has just run off. Why is it a red light? Oh God. It's not a race, Everything's in R mode, except for suspension, which has to be in comfort. Oh, come on, pedestrians. Another red light. What's the point in having this much power in a car if you can't use it? He's probably on the train now. If he gets on at 4:05, 29 minutes. I have to get there by 4:30. This is not a race. This is not a race. Why am I calculating it? It's green! Green means go!
I just go ahead. This is my train.
Oh my god, hurry up! No, 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 no. Yes, I made it red light. It's scientifically impossible for me to lose. I am hoping that he misses a train or he misses a transfer. Hurry up. Oh. Because this is not a race, we are sticking to city speed limits. This is a good GPS system actually for a car that's only in Japanese. Hold on, why is she not saying anything? On the plus side, the GT-R does have a very nice air conditioning system. I'm not a fan of the materials. Oh, this leather is nice. But some of the plastics. Why am I complaining about interior plastic materials? It's not this is actually the premium edition, but you know, it's not a premium car. It's saying I'll arrive at 4:37. That's 3 minutes after the trains arrive. No. I want to be here and straight through Ginza. For God's sakes. It's green! Okay, move. There's nothing relaxing about driving through. It's red! There's nothing relaxing about driving through Tokyo. The distance isn't even that long. It's 5.7 kilometers. How do people get in? 4:38! Come on! Oh, merge properly! Oh, for God's sakes. I need all this power to... Oh, for God's sakes, why did you cut me off, you...
Arriving at Sakuragago Y17.
He's gonna win. He's gonna win. He'll be halfway there now. It's the heat. The oil temperature's too hot. That's why the car isn't performing well. Oh, there we go. The gearbox, the gear changes. Yep, it's making the gear changes very aggressive. Which is is not good for city driving, which slows me down. That's not excuses, reasons, scientific reasons for this. Oh, for God's sakes! Every time. Actually, hold on. Martini. Oh, scheiße. Insert profanities here. I'm in the wrong lane. Okay, so now we're in Ginza. Okay, we're making up some time. Right. Let's do this. Come on, please stay green. Stay green. Yes, get out of the way, get out of the road. Pick a lane. Toyosu, I'm going the right direction. Okay, that's good. Don't you? No one try and cut me off. This is supposed to be one of the largest cities, most technologically advanced cities in the world. If you want it, just indicate and change lanes. Don't zigzag. Come on, you're costing me time. For this experiment, which is educational and scientific and not a race at all. Come on! I'm so close! Where am I? I'm on a bridge, next to a bald man on a bike, and there's a Volkswagen Beetle. Come on! I'm so close! Why are there so many trucks? Okay. Race mode. Put into manual. Might actually beat him. No, I'm not gonna beat him. The time's just increased. Stupid traffic lights. I'm so close as well. Oh, hurry up, you stupid van! Oh, no one wants to see your stupid back. Toyosu Pit by Team Smile! What a fantastic name for a thing! Oh, am I turning at the next intersection? Yes, I am. Okay, next set of lights. Come on! We made it! Oh my God! This is so close.
I'm looking for those at exit 7. That should get me closest.
I need to go now, but it's literally 870 meters away. Come on. Okay, Jesus. Come on, you car. Come on, you stupid car. Come on. Move! Oh, hurry up. Green! There's no one there! There's no one there!
I had to run a lot, but I think I'm there. I don't see a red GT-R. You guys? Picture.
Fuck! Fuck! I see him! Oh!
Oh no! Oh, the shame! Oh! Oh, the shame! The shame! No!
No! No! No!
Shame.
No! Oh! God damn it!
You know that I literally got here like 2 minutes ago?
Did you?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. The shame. There I have it, ladies and gentlemen. Between a train and a private car. Clearly, the train proved to be the faster, even though I made a mistake back there and had to run all around. I did a bit of running, of course, but I won, but I don't feel happy because the car lost. I'd rather GT-R won.
Oh God damn it.
No!
I was so...
No, like, I actually made a wrong turn because I crossed the road,
Yeah.
and I went that way, and you can see you can't come this way.
Okay.
So I had to go all the way around.
Oh.
People were looking at me funny too. I came around here, I came here, and I looked all around to see like if there's a red GT-R.
Yeah.
And as I was waiting for the light to turn green, I took it.
Oh. I gunned it. There was a straight road. I gunned it. I was cursed with red lights. Every single traffic light was red light.
So
And also the weather's too hot for the engine to properly launch itself. The tires are a bit worn, I think. The gearbox is making weird sound. It wasn't me.
It's the car, right? It's the car.
It wasn't me.
That's a sore loser, ladies and gentlemen. But you know, we have Ken here.
There's no winners and losers in a scientific experiment. It's not a race.
So what have we learned today? That first of all, he lost. I'll be mentioning that a couple of times, but
yes, I lost, and you were probably more relaxed than I was in the train. You should see the onboard footage I have of me screaming at people.
How many red lights though?
Every single red light.
Yeah, because it was supposed to be around 20-25 minutes. Oh no, 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
But it felt like so fast. It was so fast.
Yes, it was.
I wasn't walking at all. I had to a lot of running.
I stuck to city speed limits in this car.
He stuck to city.
I stuck to city speed limits. So
excuse.
you can get from Aoyama to Toyota in half an hour going at 50 kilometers an hour.
So what's the conclusion? Actually, let's set it down here.
What's the conclusion? I needed a faster car. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted and cranky and angry.
Coming from the guy sitting in the air-conditioned vehicle, as opposed to the man who was running around.
Yeah, no, you didn't have to deal with stupid drivers and the slow driving and trucks and vans and an idiot in a Premio who just didn't know how to indicate.
So
it's a good car though. It's a good car. It's just not fast enough.
Is this the petrol I'm smelling right now?
It is. It is. It's the premium unleaded fuel that's being burned, just to prove me wrong that I thought that the car was good.
So to conclude, knowing what we know now, would you go with public transportation, which is very efficient and always on time trains, or this marvelous piece of art?
Well, maybe slow, but it's more exciting.
Yeah, I gotta say it's a GT-R.
And you can't swear on the train. You can't swear in this.
I could barely talk in the train. Yeah. People are looking.
It's a good car. It's a great car.
He's a good loser too. I mean, he lost.
It's just not faster than a subway train. Oh well. Maybe that's what they changed on the next year's model.